explain how to manage our daily lifetime, and I will be talk about how some important of time management technique and which useful and effectively. Before we tell about the point of time management technique, we just understand what is the time management techniques. Time management techniques are the methods and strategy that have the individual plan, organize and control how they spend their time on effectively to achieve their goal specifically goal. Number one, Pomodoro techniques. It's in this techniques you can spend anywhere. Suppose you work anywhere or study something, you that time you can study the 25 minutes. You need the rest 5 minutes, and after if you increase your timing, you can rest too longer. It's if you use this technique, it's improve your focus and prevent burnout. And second one, Eisenhower techniques. Eisenhower matrix techniques. It means this technique focus divided into 4 categories. Number one, if that task is urgent and important, it means immediately. Which means if you do that work is urgent and important, you do that work immediately because it's necessary. And the number two, the task is important but not urgent, which means you do which means schedule wise, which means you do that work in the performance at that later. The number 4 was the task is important but not urgent. Delegate. It means which means you take work transfer to appointment to another person, particularly in that task. And the number 4, that is not urgent, not important, which means eliminate. Which means if you have that kind of work, you can immediately take work because it's not necessary for us. If you do that, it's focus on your set goal on your future. And the number 1 was to-do list, which means you can work your daily and weekly tasks in the week. If you do this, you have improved your focus and achieve whatever you want. And there are many most important time management techniques are there. And another was the SMART goal techniques, ABC prioritization techniques, and Pareto techniques. And another was ABC techniques. There are many time management techniques are there. In such as, if you use in your life this kind of techniques, it increase your. I just mentioned about all the techniques whose practical and you can apply on your daily life. And who is trying to manage your goal, try to achieve them, you can apply this technique. It's a better for you. If you work in this technique, what was the benefit? What was the advantage? That another was telling about.